Handy Andy, and your next how-to tip, we're talking about some wood care today. So whether it's desks, whether it's dressers, whether it's floors, whether it's end tables, any of your wood products always get scratched, always get marked, always get gnarred. And there's simple ways to fix it depending on what you're trying to achieve. And there's something simple for just little scratches using stain markers and stain crayons. Minwax is a maker of these. There's a couple different brands on the market, but these are very simple for covering up your types of scratches, whether they're scratches from pets, kids, equipment, glasses, whatever the case may be with it. If you have these little marks and you're trying to hide them, try the markers, try their crayons. They're going to blend in, and that's why they call them blend fill. They're going to blend in those markers itself. If you have something more extreme that you're trying to do, you may want to look at Howard's Restore-A-Finish. On these Restore-A-Finish products, these are ones that actually pull the finish off, redoing the finish all in one step. So it's a matter of just wiping with the clear white cloth, and it can actually make an old or an antique type of piece of furniture look almost brand new again. It's an amazing way of restoring the finish and color of, say, a dresser or an end table on it. Or the more extreme is going to just your straight stains, your polyurethanes, but then that gets a little bit more involved. It really wouldn't just be a quick fix type that these are. Getting into restaining, re-urethane, you're talking about a week-long type of project itself. But it's a project that you'd be very proud of when the job is done. So whether you're doing quick fixes with these products or doing a long-term fix on it, very, very simple, easy projects to be doing inside. So we appreciate you watching the Handy Andy Tips, and we'll catch you on the next one.